Disclaimer: stock trading is inherently risky and the users agree to assume complete and full responsibility for the outcomes of all trading decisions that they make, including but not limited to loss of capital. Matthew, chapter 25 verse 14-30, "For it will be like a man going on a journey, who called his servants and entrusted to them his property. To one he gave 5 talents, to another 2, to another 1, to each according to his ability. Then he went away. He who had received the 5 talents went at once and traded with them, and he made 5 talents more. So also he who had the 2 talents made 2 talents more. But he who had received the 1 talent went and dug in the ground and hid his master's money." For today's video, we are going to talk about support and resistance. Technical analysis is built on 2 fundamental concepts, support and resistance. Understanding what these concepts signify and how to use them is critical for effectively reading price charts. Prices fluctuate according to supply and demand. When demand exceeds supply, prices increase. Prices decrease when supply exceeds demand. Prices will sometimes go sideways when supply and demand are in balance. The explanation and logic underlying technical principles, like many in technical analysis, are very simple, but expertise in their application frequently requires years of experience. When supply exceeds demand, prices decrease. Those waiting to purchase shares find reduced pricing more appealing. Demand will eventually balance supply as it progressively rises. Prices cease plummeting here. This helps. Support is a chart price level or zone. Support on a price chart indicates buying interest. Demand normally exceeds supply at this level, stopping and reversing the price decrease. Resistance opposes support. Demand exceeds supply, raising prices. Selling will outweigh buying as prices rise. Reasons vary. Traders may have reached their aim or found prices too high. Buyers may be wary about taking on such high prices. Reasons might vary. A technician can observe on a pricing chart when supply exceeds demand. Its resistance. Support may be a level or zone. Daily, weekly, and monthly charting time periods all have support and resistance. Support and resistance may also be seen in smaller time periods, such as 1-minute and 5-minute charts. However, the longer the time span, the more substantial the support or opposition. To determine support or resistance, examine the chart for a notable halt in a price decrease or climb. Then watch to see whether a price stops and/or reverses when it near that level. As previously said, many experienced traders will pay attention to previous support or resistance levels and execute trades in expectation of a similar response at these levels in the future. Support and resistance levels are key concepts used by technical analysts and form the basis of a wide variety of technical analysis tools. The basics of support and resistance consist of a support level, which can be thought of as the floor under price, and a resistance level, which can be thought of as the ceiling above price. Prices fall and test the support level, which will either hold, and the price will reverse to the upside, or be violated, and the price will drop through the support and likely continue lower to the next support level. Determining future levels of support may significantly increase the profits of a short-term investment strategy since it tells traders where market drops are expected to stop. Foreseeing a level of resistance, on the other hand, might be useful since it alerts traders to be watchful as price approaches this region for a possible price response. As previously said, there are numerous approaches to pick from when attempting to determine support, resistance, but the meaning stays the same. The trader is seeking for signs that the price of an asset will likely respond in a specific way when it approaches and reaches a certain price level.
That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned many new things about the stock market. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Also follow us on our Facebook page to learn more about the stock market.